What a day to explore for a new waterfall. And I have to go through this road. But this place looks very beautiful. This is the first time I'm coming this side. I'm looking for a particular waterfall called Janailar waterfall, something like that. The GPS says another 5 minutes to it. There we are walking down. There is our Janailar waterfalls. Oh, oh. I'm trying to find out a way to go down there, but from where I do not know. Let's hope I can find it. We have to walk a little more. Okay, I'm gonna walk. You can see the place. I hope I'm entering from the right place. ये जगह सही है कि नहीं ये मुझे नहीं पता. मैं ट्राई कर रहा हूँ ताकि ढूंढ पाऊँ इस जगह को. यहाँ पर रात को मत आना, डर लगेगा. You cannot come here at the night time. Once it's dark, you can't see anything. You can see these rocks are very deadly. If you happen to fall on this rock, God bless you from my side. I'll pray for you too. Man, it's down. There's no way I'm going down. But from where I think there I see a space to go. I think I gotta go that way. Yeah. There seem to be a way here. Seem to be, not exactly. I think this is my greatest adventure. There it is. I'm trying to find out a way to go down there, but from where I do not know. Let's hope I can find it. We have to walk a little more. Okay, I'm gonna walk. You can see the place. I hope I'm entering from the right place. ये जगह सही है कि नहीं ये मुझे नहीं पता. मैं ट्राई कर रहा हूँ ताकि ढूंढ पाऊँ इस जगह को. यहाँ पर रात को मत आना, डर लगेगा. You cannot come here at the night time. Once it's dark, you can't see anything. You can see these rocks are very deadly. If you happen to fall on this rock, God bless you from my side. I'll pray for you too. Man, it's down. There's no way I'm going down. But from where I think there I see a space to go. I think I gotta go that way. Yeah. There seem to be a way here. Seem to be, not exactly. I think this is my greatest adventure. There it is. A little bit of me also. Too much of jungle. You might be getting bored. So watch me. Ow! Whoa! Yeah, I'm walking here. Hopefully I'll find a way to go down there. There are no people here. There is no wild animal here to attack me. I'm scared of cats, big cats. It's not from here also. I have to go the other side. Can you see my bike? Yeah, it's there. I'm getting tired. That side is the waterfall. You can see the water there. But I do not know from where to go there. Don't tell me I gotta walk there. Woo-hoo. how much you'll make me walk. There I am again. You can see far behind me there's one hut. I think some villagers are staying here. Hopefully they'll not take me as some hostile. I'm just here to make a documentary on these Janailar waterfalls. Hopefully I'll not get lost here. My GPS is going bonkers here. This Google first it leads me to very close to the waterfall, maybe 15 minutes, and from there it shows me another direction, sends me back, asks me to go back and go for another 1 hour to go for the waterfall, which is not right. So I decided on my own that I'll not follow Google, I'll just follow the trail and search it. After a long ride of back breaking, I finally reached this place. But it's worth it, let me tell you. When you go for any kind of trek like this, the real fun is when you gotta explore the unexplorable. When you're lost, when you have lost all the hope, that time if you can find a place. It's awesome. I have reached the top part of the Janailar waterfalls. I'm sorry for the pronunciation. I don't really know how to pronounce it. I just saw in the Google map and some friends told me that there's a fall like this. One of my YouTuber mate also, no work, no groom. He has made a video on these falls. I saw his video and I got, there I am. I can say it. This water flow is too beautiful. I think that's why I call my channel name, and I'll change this to being mesmerised. I don't see a place for me to go down, and I'm not going down. That's not all I can carry for you. This is another view. Guys, hello viewers, my friends, my family, my unknown subscribers. I made this video for you. This is Janailar waterfalls. I'm sorry for the pronunciation. If you can find out yourself, that'll be far better. I just want to tell you how I feel here. I feel really good standing here on top of this Janailar waterfall. I've visited a couple of waterfalls in Meghalaya, particularly in Khasi Hills and Janailar Hills. I have not gone to Garo Hills yet. This waterfalls looks like Krangsuri, the branch of that place. Krangsuri also has this kind of waterfall, but that one is a little bigger than this. A little bigger. But over there you'll see a lot of tourists coming, a lot of people coming also, and a lot of activity happening there. Of course you are charged also to enter that place. But this place, there is no one. It's completely wilderness. I'm telling you, this kind of place you should explore first, where people have not been, or many people have not been here. Very few. My YouTuber friend, no work, no groom, he also has a YouTube channel. From him I come to know about this place. And here I am. I'm going to tell him thank you for telling me this place. If I have a fall, then I'm going to lose my 35 grand cell phone. Maybe my life too. No, that's not going to happen. Guys, when you come this kind of place, be safe. Carry your basic items that you need: extra t-shirt, extra towel, water, a little bit of food, a lighter or matchbox, and extra clothes is always welcome. Wow, that's creepy. Again, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you'll like it. Hope you'll watch till the end. These are my adventures that I do, sometimes with friends, sometimes with alone. It doesn't matter, but I do this. With the help of this video, people will know about this place and they'll come. Mind it, you have to find yourself the place. You have to walk a bit. There is no proper footpath or no proper signboard that tells you which way to go, which way not to go. So you have to do it on your own, and that's where the fun lies. I'm back to my track. There's a place from where I came. You can see that house there. Yes, I do see you, but I don't see any people there. Hopefully it's not like those Hills Have Eyes movie kind of thing. It scares the shit out of me. People coming after you. Oh God, this is a place. Yeah, this is a place. Whew. The water is so nice. There we are back. Tree here, but it has died, unfortunately.